Hello everybody, I'm here today to show you a little air cannon kind of thing that I made. What you need is some good strong glue to stick them on, a little bike valve off the inside of a tire, a bottle. I used a 1.25 litre, has to be soft drink though because it's the only type of bottle that can take the pressure. A little valve or kind of tap thing, something you can push down, lets the air out or water, whatever. I got this for 50 cents at Reverse Garbage, and a little barrel, anything that fits onto the thing. This is like the inside of an umbrella. For ammo I use potato. I just push it on, you push it on, break it off, and then like plunge it down with something I've already got loaded in there. You get your pump, stick it onto the valve and secure it, and pump. I'm going to take this to about 25 psi. Usually it can go to about 50, 45, 50, but it's stuffed up today, so don't know why. So what to shoot? I don't know. Ooh, my little target, forgot about that. Forgot about the target. Just up there. You can see it's got stuff on it. All you need to do is get the little, oh, I'm too zoomed in, and press that button, releases all the air out. And I shall aim at the and that is what it did. That's pretty decent. That's about that big. Wait, I'll zoom out. Hole about that big in paper. Anyway, I've lost my potato, and that's my potato gun. I'll do one more demonstration for you guys. And girl. Better. Potato on blunt side of the stick or whatever. Oh, it's not the stick. Comes back out. And I'll aim it there. I had the camera in my mouth then, so don't know if you could see that, but it actually made a big rip down there, all the way to that little dot. So yeah. Whoa, that's carnage. Anyway, there's my potato. Found it. That'll be the first one. And that's my potato gun. Thank you for watching.